Imagine a world where the sun rises last on Earth. As dawn creeps over the horizon to breathe life into another day, it no longer favors the lands of the east. Instead, it begins its celestial journey from the distant west, casting its first golden rays over the Pacific Ocean before moving toward the eastern shores. In this world, the bustling cities of Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle awaken to the first light, their streets alight with an urgency previously reserved for sunsets. Wall Street in New York finds itself in a peculiar position of opening its markets as the rest of the Western Hemisphere rises from slumber, forever altering the rhythm of the global economy. The once predictable patterns of stock exchanges ripple with newfound volatility, as decisions made in the dark hours before dawn send shockwaves across time zones. The agricultural heartlands, now deprived of the early morning light, adapt with new farming strategies. Night farming becomes commonplace, with fields aglow under LED lights imitating the absent sun. Farmers in the breadbasket of the Midwest synchronize their schedules with the solar shift, their harvest transformed by artificial illumination. Social conventions flip on their heads as well. Families gather for breakfast at twilight, with dinners now embraced in the light of a setting sun. The cultural epicenter shifts, with prime-time entertainment adjusting to this altered diurnal cycle, challenging artists and creators to adapt their narratives to a world where noon is only a midpoint to the day. But perhaps the most profound change occurs in our perception of time and routine. As the sun's arc adjusts, humans find themselves questioning the very nature of their existence. A sense of unity burgeons as people across the globe, regardless of location, share in the mystery of a sunrise that has become less predictable, a phenomenon that fuels novel philosophies and itineraries. Yet, in this inversion of the celestial norm, an unexpected irony emerges. As humanity grows accustomed to this new reality, they find a peculiar solace in the chaos. Once governed by the sun's certainty, people learn to celebrate the unpredictability of each new dawn, discovering a freedom in the rearrangement of time itself.